Hello and welcome to Learn with Mamo Melela. Have you ever struggled with basic English conversations in daily life? Whether you are want to make plan directions of taking a taxi just someone, knowing the right words can make life so much easier. In this video, I'll share simple and useful conversations for different situations, make a plan, asking for directions, and much more. So, if you want to improve your English speaking skills and sound more natural, stay with me till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you find the helpful. Let's get started. When you make plans, what are you doing this weekend? Nothing special. Why? Let's go for a movie. Sounds great. What time? 6 p.m. See you then. When you're asking for directions, excuse me, where is the nearest hospital? It's about 5 minutes away. Go straight and turn left. Thank you. You are welcome. When you want to take a taxi, you say, Taxi, where do you want to go? Take me to the railway station. Okay, it will be cost 300 rupees. Alright, let's go. When you go at the doctor's clinic, you say, what seems to be the problem? I have a headache and a fever. Since when? Since last night. I'll give you some medicine. When you go at the bank, you say, I want to open a bank account. Do you have your ID card? Yes, here it is. Please fill out this form. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.